The ease of installation, I believe we were able to get it built in about 45 minutes, so it makes it nice, simple, looks easy to do. Looks like you could have a crew out there, getting it done within a day, and it looks like it's going to create great value to the community.
When people think about like modular homes, they think they're going to use a lot of cheap materials. But like when I came and looked into the factory today, we realized that BOXABL homes are much more energy rated and then much more fire rated compared to the other modular homes, even your residential traditional homes.
I think it's going to take over the market if we just keep going the way that it's going right now. I think it's going to be one of those where all the other builders are going to be envious of what BOXABL is doing, and they're going to want to duplicate or join forces with BOXABL to create these type of structures more often or more of them so that it can be more affordable for the normal people.
Do it. You're going to save yourself some money. I think you're going to be happy, not only money, but time.
I definitely recommend to do it.
Definitely worth the time, and recommend that you do it.